TECO Chemicals is a specialized supplier of IMO 2020 compliant marine chemicals, cleaning chemicals for tankers and bulkers, remote cleaning consultations, supercargo services, and equipment for tank and cargo hold cleaning. We pursue a cohesive vision of striving towards quality without compromise, guided by our core values of integrity, responsibility, excellence, innovation, and unity. We are strong proponents for transformation to chart ambitious and credible strategies to accelerate decarbonization within the marine chemical space. As a team, we exemplify a growth mindset, motivating each other towards a shared goal and a greater sense of unity. Our full suite of products and services presents solutions of quality driven by a keen attention on both profitability and sustainability. If a chemical tanker is not thoroughly cleaned before being loaded with new cargo, vessel owners run the risk of accumulating residues or contamination, which can cause operational issues and expensive delays. Here is where we step in. Our supply of alkaline, acidic, solvent-based, and degreasing tank cleaning chemicals are IMO and tank coating manufacturer approved. They are specifically targeted to remove various types of cargo residues. Our specialist advisory covers a complete analysis of the discharge cargo, type of tank coatings, and pre-loading specification of the next cargo. Our experience in the game-changing DPP to CPP conversion process includes the provision of complete turnkey solutions to support vessels in switching cargo tanks from dirty to clean petroleum products. Together with onboard or remote supercargo support, we combine innovative thinking, accessibility, and clear commercial awareness to transmit profitable voyages. Our expertise covers high-spec cargoes such as methanol, palm oil, soft oil, and biofuel. Our services also cover training and support for preparation, loading, discharging, and cleaning after isocyanates, skillfully reinforcing vessels which may have limited familiarity with the process. Bulk carriers make swift changes from one type of cargo to the next, and flexibility is key to enable frequent and thorough cargo hold cleaning to maintain cargo quality and minimize contamination. Our chemicals are formulated, blended, and benchmarked against stringent international standards. They are compatible with most hold coatings and will not degrade the surface nor contaminate, roughen, or damage them, tackling harsh grease, grime, and stain with ease. Complemented by robust equipment such as chemical applicator kits, high-pressure hold cleaning machines, descalers, safety protection gear, and other raw materials, benefit from our efficiency, superlative results, and environmentally safe options. To top it off, we are a key provider of full-service cleaning or shore gangs to vessel operators in port. The cleaning gangs are equipped to handle complex bulker cleaning procedures and ensuring these are ready for inspection or loading of the next cargo. Our supercargos and port captains can also provide remote cleaning advice and professional expertise. Since the introduction of steel-hulled vessels, water has been used as ballast to stabilize vessels at sea, reducing stress on the hull and improving propulsion. While ballast water is essential for safe and efficient modern shipping operations, it poses serious ecological, economic, and health problems due to the multitude of invasive marine species present within. Ballast water, therefore, needs to be treated and tanks cleaned before it discharged back into the sea. With IMO regulation standards now in place to combat this challenge, we begin with advice on a holistic approach to selecting an approved ballast water treatment system for onboard installation. This is supplemented by our supply of comprehensive range of internationally certified BWTS maintenance chemicals. They deliver multiple uses from chemical disinfection to neutralizing of ballast water by dosing with neutralization agents and using total residual oxidants (TRO) analyzers. By adopting these essential treating and cleaning practices, we enable vessel owners to maintain asset integrity and reduce the total cost of operations. Our deep-rooted knowledge allows the team to deliver innovative solutions for the supply of marine urea 40% solution to berths alongside, at anchorage, or in dock. Supplies are executed by certified manpower, high-quality chemicals hoses, and relevant equipment for a safe delivery. This aqueous solution, blended with high-purity urea and deionized water used in SCR systems, ensure compliance to IMO Tier 3 protocols for NOx emissions. With the backing of TECO Maritime Group in successfully installing more than 150 scrubbers for our partners on board, we also specialize in supplying caustic soda, an essential element for use in closed and hybrid scrubber systems. These scrubbers remove sulfur oxides from ships' engine and boiler exhaust gases to comply with our global limit on sulfur. Both chemicals can be supplied via bunker barge and tank lorry method or IBC packing depending on requirement size, port, berth, and terminal conditions. We are well supported by TECO stock points and service partner channels located in more than 30 countries worldwide, giving us tremendous accessibility and a gateway to highly competitive prices. Our pro-environment chemical blends tackle atmospheric pollution from ships in an efficient manner towards achieving climate neutrality and net zero emissions by 2050. One of the principal means to comply with stringent IMO NOx Tier 3 standards is the presence of an SCR system requiring an aqueous urea solution of a consistent high quality. Currently, most vessels must be equipped with huge onboard storage tanks containing enough urea solution to navigate their entire seaborne journey, taking up precious space. We have bypassed this predicament with the revolutionary TECO Onboard urea generator, allowing ships to produce only the required urea solution when and where it is needed. Powered by the unrivaled design and technology capabilities of Donghwa and Tech from Korea, our market-leading innovation is KR class approved, fulfilling the rigorous standard for marine structure in terms of design, construction, and maintenance. We can customize the system to precise consumption, maximizing value and reducing risk. The generator can be retrofitted or installed on new builds without any downtime or operational impact. With an expected ROI of only 4 months, vessel operators can blend OS 40% solution on board using solid urea prills, reducing logistics, release precious storage space on board, reduce cost, and most importantly, play a part in our ongoing commitment to green and sustainable shipping. Our pipeline demonstrates our commitment to invest in upcoming solutions which challenge the status quo and differentiate us in the market. Magnesium hydroxide slurry and soda ash are efficient, non-carbonate, alkaline sources, both cost-effective and safe substitutes for caustic soda. With the harnessing of our global synergies, TECO Chemicals will be able to accelerate the worldwide supply of these rarely utilized treatment chemicals for sulfur neutralization. In addition, active magnesium oxide powder can be made available for use in scrubbers to strengthen our portfolio of pioneering initiatives. We are supercharged towards a vision bolder and greater tomorrow. Having sharpened our emphasis on sustainability, we continue to create value and operate efficiently through ebbs and flows. With a product range that keeps evolving to match industry requirements, join hands with us to strengthen our strategic ecosystem relationship and leverage industry expertise for the pursuit of excellence. We are always listening, always available.